is day 9, 10, 10.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
We get to open 2 today.
What are we doing today?
Pancakes, and then we are going to go to the National Seashore and visit the Visitor Center and check that out and do their Junior Ranger, and then we are going to go to the beach possibly with our friends.
Wah, wah.
Put them up. Wait until you're all done, brother.
Hold on. You're moving too fast. Hold it back up.
Put it up. Put them up.
There he is.
Bye.
You're moving too fast. So, day 10. Let's go.
Before we head to the beach and to the shore, we have to do a fridge reset. So let me show you. So do you see, oh, I gotta come up here. Let me show you. So do you see this ice coming out? This is our freezer. This was our ice cube tray. This is the worst that it's been in a while. And we're gonna leave the door open. We turned it off so that it can dethaw. So it'll take like 24 hours, right?
Give it a little head start.
So, yep, Ryan's gonna use the blow dryer on the ice inside there and kind of help to get it started.
That's what takes the longest, because this is full of ice and we can't get to it. I've tried taking this cover off and you can't really get to it. The problem is this temperature sensor went bad, so I replaced it and it did not fix the issue, because this actually has heating elements inside to do an auto defrost, but the temperature sensors have to tell it to turn on, and it doesn't know to turn on, and so yeah, so now we have to defrost it manually.
Spiderweb, goodbye. Mama, don't look down. There's a spiderweb.
Oh. What are you confused about?
The spiderweb. Right down there.
A big one? Oh, I see it.
And a spider.
See this beautiful view?
That's a spider, isn't it? Let's get
We had to vacate our picnic table over there because there were a bunch of ants underneath the picnic table and mosquitoes. So now we're eating lunch in Tim's truck.
Mom, you should get in one of these. Another one's opened.
Yeah, right there next to Daddy. Daddy taking a nap.
Me want to rest.
Breeze.
I know, warm Florida sun, this beautiful breeze on this porch. Overlooking the water. Yeah, lots of shells.
Here. Come on, Mama. Oh, just put them in my...
Here, let me see. Don't forget your shoes.
And by not feeding any of the wildlife. I will do my best to preserve Mosquito Lagoon and tell my friends why barrier islands should be protected. Congratulations, you are now Junior Rangers at the National Seashore.
What'd you learn?
I learned not to go to number 5 beach.
Why?
It should be protected.
Clothing is optional.
You're on a barrier island. Did you all pick up the trash? Okay.
Day
10!
That's a wrap from day 10. We are at,
The Canaveral National Seashore. Isn't it gorgeous?
look at that. Oh, let's see if we can, look at that. Beautiful sunset. So we are going to wrap up, head back to the campground, and eat some dinner with our friends. So we will
See you real soon.
see you real soon.
Thanks for watching.